Let's practice the concepts of exponents. Before that, let's just recap what we have learned till now. The meaning of exponents and the various laws of exponents that we use. We have here 3 power 2, that is 3 squared here, which means here 3 is the base. And 2 is called the exponent. This exponent is also called as power or an index. So you have to be familiar with these terms. It is also called raised to, 3 raised to 2. We have certain laws of exponents. These are also called the rules of exponents. Let's see how many laws we have. The first one is anything to the power 0 is 1. We have one more here. A to the power of 1 by n is nth root of a. A power m times a power n is a power m plus n. We are multiplying two expressions. The base is same. The exponents are different. So what do? We just keep the base just like that. We don't change it. We add the exponents. We have a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. Here we are dividing these two expressions, a power m and a power n. The base is same, exponents are different. We keep the base as is. We do numerator's exponent minus denominator's exponent. We have one more here, a power n m whole to the power of n. We just multiply these two exponents here, which is a power mn. We have a by b whole to the power of n. This is nothing but a power n by b power n. We have one more here. This is the inverse rule. A power minus n is 1 by a power n minus n. It means it is nothing but inverse of a power n. 1 by a power n. Okay, let's get to practice. We have x power 2, that is x squared times x cubed. Base is the same. Exponents are different. We are multiplying these two expressions. Then what happens? Exponents are different. We just keep the base as is. You don't have to change it. The exponents we have to add up. That comes to x power 5. Suppose I have one more expression here, x power 4 multiplied by the previous expression. Then we need to add all the exponents. That comes to x power 9. We have an expression here, 2x squared times 3x cubed times 2x power 4. Now, what do we need to do? We need to separate out the constants. We need to group the constants together. So 2, 3 and 2, we are grouping them together and multiplying them. We are grouping the variables separately. Now 2, 3, 2 is 12 here, and we need to evaluate this expression. We just put x to the power of, add all the exponents here. 2 plus 3 plus 4. That makes 9. So 12x power 9 is the final simplified version of this expression. We have one more here, 4 times 2x times 3x squared of y. One more here, 4x times x squared. 2x squared times 4x squared times 3y. Now we have another here, 2x power 5 divided by 4x squared. This is division. Let's group the constants together, 2 by 4. Let's group the variables together. So the constants is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, and we have x power 5 divided by x power 2. Here the base is the same, but the exponents are different. We are doing division of these two expressions, which means the exponents should be subtracted. Numerators minus denominators exponent. It comes to half x cubed. So we have one more here. These are all left for your practice. You have to group the constants together and variables together and solve accordingly. We have one more thing here. This reminds us of a power m whole power n is a power mn. This is the law. That means we just have to multiply these two exponents here and keep the base as is. X power 15. So this is the final simplified expression. We have one more here. Here we have x power 2. We are multiplying these two exponents here. But what about the constant? Since we have a parenthesis, we have to apply the exponent to this constant also, because we have a parenthesis. The exponent 3 applies to 2 also. So 2 cubed times x power 6, which is 8 x power 6, which is the final simplified expression. Here we have division. We are dividing two expressions here. One more. These are left for your practice. We have two variables here. There is parenthesis. This is a by b whole power m is a power m by b power m. The exponent has to apply to both the numerator and denominator because we have a bigger parenthesis there. So x power 4 whole power 3 is nothing but you just multiply those exponents there. A power m whole power n. This should remind us of this rule. So here x power 12 divided by y power 6. See, we have used two laws. These are x power 8 times xy square. We will solve them together in the classroom. Now here is negative exponent, which means a power minus n is 1 by a power n. So a power minus n is inverse of a power n. So here also some more for your practice.